By default, the Bebop drone is in video mode. In this mode, the drone starts to record video as soon as it starts to fly. And it records in 1080p at 30 images a second. To control the camera's positioning, slide your two fingers on the piloting interface in the direction opposite of the desired orientation. In Ace mode, you control the camera by using your right thumb on the joystick. Press on the Rec button to stop recording. While in video mode, you can also take photos by clicking on the photo icon. The Bebop's camera also allows you to take high-resolution photos. Activate the photo mode, which you can find in the Recording Features tab. The images captured in high resolution are in fisheye format. In order to fine-tune the color balance, go into the menu settings and go to Image Parameters. To increase or reduce the exposure of your videos or photos, slide the cursor situated on the vertical bar to the left. At the end of the recording, you will find your photos in the device's internal memory storage. For this, go into the contextual menu of the application FreeFlight and click on Internal Memory. Select the videos you wish to keep and click on Transfer to add them to the gallery. You can also either retrieve or erase material by connecting your Parrot Bebop drone to your computer directly with a micro USB cable provided. To perform this operation, the Parrot Bebop drone's battery must be installed and the drone must be turned on.